sultry. Very hot and humid. It was a sultry summer evening. The room felt sultry without air conditioning. Spooky. Scary in a strange or mysterious way. The old house looks spooky at night. That movie was really spooky. Quibble. To argue about small or unimportant details. Don't quibble over small mistakes. She likes to quibble about tiny details. Scuttlebutt. Rumors or gossip. I heard some scuttlebutt about changes at work. There's always scuttlebutt in small towns. Embezzle. To steal money from a company you work for. She embezzled funds from the company. He was arrested for trying to embezzle money. Muppet. A silly or foolish person. They laughed and called him a muppet. He felt like a muppet after the mistake. Fuming. Very angry. She was fuming after the argument. He was fuming about the delay. Intrigued. Very interested and curious about something. He looked intrigued by the mystery. She felt intrigued by his idea. Hoax. A trick or false story made to fool people. The news about aliens was just a hoax. The fake prize message was a hoax.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!